content here for education purposes only, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So guys, we have to discuss one thing, which is drove the market up, which is Nvidia after hours earnings. We got unexpected return more than expected for the earnings and the revenue. The revenue is 57 billion. The estimate was 54, so almost 4% suppressed. You see what's happened after we have the jump after hours. APLD, the first ignition happened exactly with NVIDIA. Look at that. We jumped almost 15% after the news of the earnings of NVIDIA, because NVIDIA will show if the market is over expanded or hyped for the AI or not. As you can see here, NVIDIA was okay. The earnings show that there's still potential for expansion and, of course, growth for the AI sector and for all the tech companies. And you see what's happened here. We got NVIDIA turning point. However, guys, this might turn in green in a minute if we have this happen, which is not breaking the 198.60 and break the 190.20 instead. Remember, guys, we already did this update yesterday for NVIDIA on our King and Elite swing trade that we always do on for our Discord and Patreon hunters. We discussed the entry for NVIDIA around the 184.41. It was best entry here for NVIDIA. The other trade that we did yesterday, because we do swing and day trade, we did for SGBX that is jumping right now and even halted up around the 8, and we have a really good position for it. So we're still holding this one around $8.20, of course. Yeah, $8.10. The best average was around $4.14, which is the best entry for us. And for NVIDIA as well, we're still holding it because it looked really fantastic over the current support, as we said, the 192. So all this for NVIDIA, what we should expect and where the price will go from here, because everybody expecting NVIDIA will go up, as we had a lot of news going on with the 57 billion, up almost 62% over a year. The Q4 forecast of 65 billion rose 5%, so it's crazy good for NVIDIA. However, as we said, guys, we need to hold this breakout that happened yesterday around here in order to confirm that the market is healthy and we're going to go to all-time high for NVIDIA over the 212. However, if we pull back today and we have a seller, it means the trend will change to the red if we broke the 179.47. That's why for Bitcoin didn't change a lot, because the market is still not confirmed yet. For my opinion, is still not confirmed yet, even though we have this huge jump for NVIDIA. This might change in a minute if NVIDIA pull back down below this current support that we jump from around the 179.84. But for the warning sign, if we broke the 190.29 by today, it will be a bit risky, and the play might change to the red or around this level, the 187.78, because this will make NVIDIA go on the green side and lose the gain that we did yesterday. So it's not confirmed yet for NVIDIA and the whole market if we're gonna continue on the green side. But if we continue and hold over the 187.78 and go toward the 200, which is the psychological level for NVIDIA, is mean we're gonna have a huge green for the market before the end of this year, especially for Tesla, because Tesla is getting near on the green side. APLD the same. It might recover again because it pulled back a lot, almost 50%, but reverse a lot, almost 35% in just 5 days. So we'll expect APLD to recover more if NVIDIA stayed over the 200 barrier, of course, in the coming days.